Kibble Works is the employment training arm of Kibble Education and Care. We're a charity who have been on the ground in Paisley for the last 150 or so years, providing residential care and education to young men and young women. And there will be significant behavioural issues, there will be difficulty around crime, drug, alcohol abuse is a regular feature of the lives of the young people we see. Lots of this is behaviours that have developed through frankly a lack of parental care and parental influence, and our role is functionally to step up and be their corporate guardians. But we've learned over the last 7 years of doing this that the kind of work that we do with young people has a much broader application, and now we work with young people, not all of whom will have had any form of state intervention in their lives.
Kibble Construction was aimed more specifically at dealing with 18 to 24-year-olds. Each boy was to come here as a fresh slate, no matter what they've done in the past, and hopefully give them a wee taste of different jobs. Everything from painting, landscaping, joinery work, plumbing, everything. And we let the boys do and make their own mistakes as much as we possibly can, while still trying to see a job through as well, still treat it like any other site so that they are prepared when they eventually leave us and hopefully go into employment.
It works for me because if I say to my gaffer tomorrow, I want to have a shot at that brickwork, and he'll say, well, come on, we'll teach you. I don't know a thing about it as of yet, but it's something that I've got to learn if I want to progress. You can't just have one trade anymore. You can't just be good at one thing. You've got to have an all-round knowledge.
Well, I used to get into trouble with police all the time and that, so now I've just changed it by working with Kibble.
It's so good to work with. You never get any hassle. You don't feel like somebody's constantly breathing down your neck. You get gave a job, you get told to go and do it, and it's not like you're scared to go and tell your supervisor, like, I don't know how to do this, and feel embarrassed. With the Kibble, you know, they're here to help.
My role here is to support the young people who come into Kibble Works, teach them a wee bit about media editing. Also do a bit of literacy work to support them in their reading and writing, and I do the video and audio editing for Kibble too. I tend to support them with their day-to-day needs. One day can be spent working on projects, but another day they can come in with some problems, maybe from home leave, and the majority of the day will be help supporting them through that and trying to find solutions to the problems that they're having on home leave.
At PromoWorks, we print t-shirts, mugs, mouse mats, we do a lot of bags for conferences. All the young people work on the design from the start and then actually printing the bags. I think when the young people come here they find something different. It is education, but it's not education in the way that young people have dealt with education before. It's not school. We very much treat the young people equally. We'll speak to them about a broad spectrum of things that is giving them like education in the way you speak and behave. They get paid at the end of the week, they come along. Generally the young people enjoy being here.
You feel like you've got a responsibility in a work placement, you've got adult responsibilities, coming in on time, leaving like all your friendships at home, like you're coming into work and that's you.
Project Oscar is a furniture recycling project set up in Paisley. The emphasis is being sort of three main aims. One is to reduce the amount of waste that's going to landfill. Second thing is to offer employment and training for young people, those especially who are furthest from the job market. The third objective is to offer subsidised items of household items to people on low incomes, homeless families, that kind of thing within the Renfrewshire area.
Well, actually I was unemployed for a while. I couldn't find a job really, and I actually got help through the Renfrewshire Workforce Plus, and they actually passed me on to here, and probably one of the best things I've ever done. No, I would never look back.
It's easy environment, it's friendly, get full support of your team behind you. So
I think every case has its ups and downs. We had one young man who was severely autistic come to us, and at Christmas I had to phone to tell him not to come in because it was snowing, and I actually managed to speak to the mother, which we don't normally do because they're treated like adult employees, and she just wanted to thank us, and I said, you know, what for? And she said, well, when he came to you, he wouldn't talk, he wouldn't answer the phone, he wouldn't go out. And she said he's now telling me that he's on the shop floor serving customers. And she said, I never thought I'd see my son do that kind of thing. And that's why we do it.
Society has already made a huge investment in every one of these kids. And my question back to folk who suggest that this is expensive is, Do you really want to run the risk of every penny that you have spent so far in their lives is lost at this point? But getting it right at the start is an expensive process, and I think as a society we may need to make hard decisions about a whole range of things, but I would argue the economics of this almost any time.